What's up, people? It is Kyrie Naveau from Kyrie TV and the All That Podcast, and Albert Diaz from the Financial Road Trip. So, today I want to ask you a question. Do you like making money?
I love making money.
Okay. Would you like making money from home?
I'm making money from home.
Okay. So, you're answering yes to all these questions.
Yes, and I believe everybody out there is answering yes too.
Right. So guys, I know you're looking at this and you're thinking, wow, okay, this is another one of those videos that I see online all the time. One of those scammer videos where you can make $100,000 sitting at home.
From home, be your own boss.
Yes, all this. You're thinking that this is where this video is going, but I must let you know that you are sadly mistaken, because this is not one of those videos. We don't want people that don't work, that don't want to work. We don't want people who want to get rich quick. We want people who are dedicated to making money and are willing to put in the work to make money. So if you're one of those people who always click on those clickbait posts online thinking that you're going to be rich by putting in minimal effort, do us a favor, click off this video. But before you click off the video, like, subscribe, and share, and also send this to somebody that you think may have those qualities, that wants to work hard, that wants to put in work, and who likes people, who loves helping people. So if you know somebody personally like that, send this video to them. But if you know that's not you, click off the video.
That's great. Mm-hmm. So you're looking for people that has the following qualities.
Right.
It doesn't want to get rich fast. Because I see all that all the time in social media. It's like, hey, you want to know how to make $100 from home and every day? Yeah. Just comment info, comment inbox. Yeah. Oh my God, I see hundreds of comments there, and all I'm thinking is, how many lazy people are out there?
Tell me, please.
That's right. So if you are sharp, you like to put up the work, you would like to learn, you like to help people, you are coachable.
Yes.
You were mentioning that earlier. You're
coachable. Very important.
People, we would like to talk to you. We would like to know if you are a right fit, if we are the right fit for each other.
Right.
Our company, our business is expanding very aggressively. We are actually part of one of the expansions in the Southwest Houston area. And we're looking for people in other parts of Texas, in other parts of the United States. But we're looking for maybe 1, 2, 3 guys max, and girls. And anything.
Right. So I want you guys to do this right now, or after this video ends, after you finish watching the video. Go in the mirror and ask yourself, do I like making money, and am I willing to put in the work to make money? 2, am I coachable? Am I willing to learn? And 3, do I love helping people? And if you answer yes to those 3 questions, then we need to get together. We need to partner up, people, because one thing about this business also that's a perk is that you learn so much, and that goes back to being coachable and being willing to soak up all kind of knowledge and not expecting results so fast, because when you come in this business, you will learn so much information and knowledge about money that it will blow your mind, because a lot of people are not financially literate. So when you get in this business, you will learn so much, and you'll be racing to tell other people about this newfound knowledge that you have. So if you have these qualities, please come partner with us, and let's see if we can do business together.
I know you have those qualities. I know you have it in you. You just need to, go and do the first step. And the first step is just contact us. Let's talk. All we want to know is, let's see first of all if you're the right fit. Right? So like, comment, subscribe.
Yes.
Kyrie Naveau from Kyrie TV and All That Podcast, and Albert Diaz from the Financial Road Trip.
Peace.